BrittanyBearMakeup here, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to show you guys my take on a Met Gala makeup look. I definitely was very inspired by Kim Kardashian's makeup and Selena Gomez's makeup. I think I kind of morphed those two ideas into one to create this sexy, beautiful look for you guys today. So guys, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can be a part of my bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And keep on watching as I show you guys my take on a 2018 Met Gala look.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
So I am so excited to show you guys this makeup that I kind of created on my own. This is just a look that I did the other day that I kind of fell in love with. So I wanted to show you guys how I get this look. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by priming our eyelids using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium Light Concealer. So I'm gonna be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and swooping it across my eyelids. I'm then going to be taking my finger, hopefully it's clean, and I'm going to be blending this. So the palette that I'll be using for today is going to be my Huda Beauty, and this is the Rose Gold edition. And I'm going to be picking up the shade Saddlewood. Saddlewood is going to go into my crease using a Morphe M513 brush. I'm then going to be taking my shadow and working this into the crease of my eye. While I blend, guys, I did want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support you showed me on my last video. I had so much fun creating that video for you guys, and I know my mom had a lot of fun too. So I just want to thank you for all the positivity, all the sweet comments. You guys are amazing, and if you have not watched it, make sure you click this link over here. We'll leave it right over here somewhere. Make sure you guys watch it. It is filled with laughter, emotion, sadness, all of the above, and it's a pretty awesome video. So go check it out and leave your girl some comments. It is now time for me to darken up the crease a little bit, and for this I'm going to be using the same palette in the shade Black Truffle. That sounds very delicious right now. And I'm going to be picking up a different Morphe brush. This is going to be a Morphe M576 brush, and using this Black Truffle shade I'm going to go and work it into the crease, really just darken up the crease. So it looks a little crazy right now, but it will look better. We just gotta blend. Blend, 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 and once you think you're done, blend some more. So what I'm doing is I'm basically applying the black eyeshadow a little bit onto the lower lash line, but not enough to where it looks like it's eyeliner. I'm kind of stopping midway on my eye, and I'm really just creating dimension in the corner and dragging that eyeshadow across, and then I'm just blending out with the other brown shade that I first applied. So as you guys can see, this look kind of looks really dramatic, and that's what I wanted to go for today. I feel like I loved my Arabic inspired makeup look that I did, and this one kind of reminds me of that, but it's a little bit different. It's gonna be a little bit more fun and not too cray. After we did that, I'm going to be going into a brand new product. This is the Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow. So these are amazing, gorgeous pigments. They came out with so many different shades, but this one in particular is really fun because it's this beautiful, rich gold shade, and it just looks expensive and fierce, and you are just rocking 24 karat gold on your eye, guys. So I'm going to be using this one today to apply onto my eyelids. I'm going to be actually applying it with my finger just because I feel like pigment sometimes looks really good when it's applied with my finger. I'm going to press this onto my lid. I'm going to sweep it across, kind of just packing it on. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like once I went ahead and I applied the pigment onto my eyelid. I'm loving how this looks. It's so beautiful and definitely what I wanted to go for today. Just like that pop of brightness to kind of make this sexy look come to life. So another thing that I wanted to do was add a little bit of glitter. So for today, I'll be picking up my Violet VOSS Sandy Glitter, and I'm going to be taking a Morphe M514 brush, and then I'm going to press this onto my eyelid. This is really gonna give me like that extra sparkle, and it's gonna make the whole look just look poppin'. Such a beautiful shimmery glitter, and it pairs perfectly with the Dose of Color pigment. Alright guys, so after I went ahead and I applied my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same step onto the other side, and then we're gonna keep on going on with this look, and I'm gonna show you some new fun products that I really wanted to share with you guys. So I'll see you back in a second. Alright guys, so once we went ahead and we applied our eyeshadow, this is what we came up with. A very sexy, like smoky, but with a little pop of me in it. So I'm really obsessed, but I it is now time to fix up my face to make it presentable. So for today, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. So I'm going to be applying this onto my face, and it's going to mattify the oils as well as just really make me look like a golden goddess. It is now time to move on to foundation. So today I wanted to try out the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation from Too Faced. So for today's color, I'll be picking the shade Sand because I kind of have a tan going on right now. So I want to keep that going. I'm going to be applying this with a Morphe E31 brush. So this is the foundation, very beautiful. As you guys can see, it's covering, it's doing its job. So as I'm blending this out, I did want to talk to you guys about something. So I really want to start vlogging more for you guys, just showing you my everyday life so we can build that personal relationship, because there are a lot of times that when I'm like teaching, I'm just in teaching mode, and when I'm a regular person, it's just completely different. So I want you guys to be able to like grow with me and see the different sides of me. So let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see, if you guys like the idea of vlogging. If so, if you guys have any ideas, shoot them my way in the comments below, because I definitely want to start doing that, and I think that that's going to take place like ASAP, so I'm gonna need your help. Now we are ready to move on to concealer. So for today, since I'm using my Too Faced foundation, I thought why not show you guys a concealer that I love from Too Faced as well. This is the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Light Nude. So I'm going to be taking the little concealer stick and applying this under my eyes. I'm going to apply a lot because I feel like I look extra tired. I need to wake myself up. I like to also bring it in toward the inner part of my nose to really slim down my nose and give it that illusion that it's a lot more snatched, y'all's favorite word. Then I'm going to be applying this concealer onto my chin. I'm also going to be applying this on the bridge of my nose and on the lower part of my forehead. And then I'm just going to use the excess on the corners of my mouth. So now that I applied this concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and begin by tapping this into my face. I feel like I'm so into like more creamier, like lightweight concealers lately. I love full coverage concealers, but for some reason, these just give me like the most beautiful radiant under eye, and I'm all for that, especially during the summer. So this is definitely like a go-to summer concealer. So now it is time to set our under eyes and our foundation. So for today, I'll be using my Hourglass, and this is the Veiled Translucent Powder. So taking a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and pack that onto my beauty blender and begin by packing this under my eyes, on my chin, the corners of my mouth, the bridge of my nose, the upper part of my forehead. I'm just gonna kind of pack it everywhere to really just set the foundation. All right guys, so as my face bakes, it is now a perfect time to kind of finish off the under eye smoking of the eyeshadow, because we have translucent powder, so if any fallout occurs, we can just kind of dust it away and pretend it never happened. So going back into my Huda Booty palette and taking a Morphe M576 brush, I'm going to go into the color Black Truffle once again, and I'm also going to mix Sandalwood. So I'm going to use the two colors that I used on my eyes today, and I'm going to kind of begin by smoking that under my eye. So what I'm doing is I'm really keeping like the focal darkness of the eye right in the corner where it gets a little bit more dramatic. The next step is going to be to bronze myself up while I let my moisture be absorbed by all the translucent powder. So for today, I'm really excited to use this new palette. This is from Morphe Brushes. This is what it looks like. It's super beautiful. It has these gorgeous stunning colors, and it's just a really pretty palette. So for bronzer today, I'm going to be using a Morphe M403 brush and using the color Donut, which is like a beautiful, it almost looks like kind of like a Hoola bronzer, but a little bit more pigmented. So I'm going to be very careful when applying this. Oh, this is a good contour color. It's not too overwhelming. So I'm starting at my cheekbones and I'm kind of just buffing this out. Really liking the way it looks. It's not too warm either. I feel like it's a perfect mixture between cool and warm. So I'm going to warm up the rim of my forehead, just kind of blend that all out. And then I'm going to go on the part of my lower jawbone. Alright guys, so once I went ahead and I applied my contour to my face, I have to say that this Morphe palette really did the trick. I'm loving it. I normally am a creature to habit, so I normally go for like the Hoola bronzer, but today I kind of wanted to switch it up and show you guys some new products that came out. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you're loving the new bronzer. I'm gonna go off camera real quick, snatch my nose for a second, and when I come back, we're gonna finish this beautiful glam moment that we're having here. So see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so after I went ahead and I contoured my nose using my 360 nose contouring brushes, it is now time for me to finish off this look and do the final little details to make me look happen. I'm going to be using a little e.l.f. small angled brush. This is it. Very, very cute. And Morphe Black Slate Liner. I'm going to be applying this into my waterline. And then on the other side as well. Alright guys, so it is now time for us to apply false lashes. So for today, I kind of wanted to do something a little different. I normally use my Salon Perfect lashes, but these are actually Morphe lashes. So I actually went ahead and cut them in half so that these lashes kind of just give me a little bit more drama towards the end of my eye. Alright guys, so here's what the lashes look like once I went ahead and applied them. I love that the drama is just in the corners. I think it actually complements my eye shape a little bit more and it makes them look more like fluttery and poppin'. So now I'm going to be taking my Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I'm going to be applying this onto my lower lashes as well as onto the falsies. Now it is time to kind of take off that translucent powder. So taking that same Morphe M403 brush, I'm just going to brush this across my face and get rid of any excess translucent powder that I have. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at as now. It is now time for us to finish off this look using a lip color. So for today, I'm going back to basics and going back to my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. So I'm going to be using this lip liner to outline my lips. So I actually just realized that this isn't sweet tea, which is so weird because I thought it was. This is called Sugar Pie, which is a little darker of a shade and kind of loving this one as well. Alright guys, so for the lipstick today, I decided to take my friend's collaboration. Her name is Makeup More. This one is called Flan, which is super cute and it's actually my new favorite lipstick that I've been wearing lately. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto my lips. I just realized that I didn't put on any highlighter on my face, so I kind of want to do that. I'm actually going to go into that same Morphe palette. I'm going to grab the color Beam and Venus, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to kind of give my skin a little bit more like shine to it, you know? So on my upper cheekbone, my upper forehead, as well as on like my collarbone to add a little bit of light to that, to make me pop. Alright Bear Family, so here is the final beautiful look inspired by Met Gala this year. So I hope all of you guys loved today's tutorial. If you guys did, then don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up on today's look. Like, share, comment, and as always guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of my Bear Family. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye guys!
Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Let me work this out. Can we work this out?